guys, my name is Saroj and you're watching USJ the gaming channel. Welcome to the channel. Let's get started. We are going to know about how can we use a PS2 controller for a PC. So here's the PS2 controller, but how can we connect it to a PC? We are going to know. Let's go. So guys, this is my PS2 controller and the PS2 dongle is over here. Yeah, this is the PS2 dongle. To connect this to the PC, we need a PS2 adapter of this kind, like this. It should be looking like this. Here we can connect the dongle, and this has USB. And this USB, if we connect to the PC, we can happily use this PS2 for our PC. So this is a PS2 controller adapter. We can buy this for very less. It's like for 300 to 500 it ranges. It is available on Amazon. And if you want this product, and I will keep the link in description, you can go and buy this too. So this has two ports for the for the PS2 dongle, this one and this one. We can play with two PS2 controllers. So it's your wish. And how to connect it? Let's go. So take the adapter, take the PS2 dongle, just clip them in the correct way, and it should be all good. See, good, it should look like this. So, and this USB we can clip it to the PC. For the video, guys, but there's one more point. We can use PS2 controller for only few games, not for all, and I will tell about them in my next video. So stay tuned to USJ the gaming series. Don't forget this, yo guys. So actually, if we have a PS2 adapter like this, we can also connect it to our phone through the USB cable and OTG cable, and I will show you in my next video. Drop a like if you like this video, comment down below, and please do subscribe. Bye.